HUSHTONE 6Q backpack should be worn properly to optimize comfort and productivity. Set the upper harness to the correct height adjustment setting. We recommend taller users use the bottom hole. For shorter users, choose the top hole. Now, lift the backpack and slide both arms through the shoulder straps. The ergonomic harness is designed with numbered arrows to easily identify the steps for wearing the backpack correctly. Step 1. Tighten the strap around the upper part of your hips until it's secure and comfortable. An extension belt is available if you need additional length in the waistband. Step 2. Pull down the shoulder straps until the upper harness is secure and comfortable on your back. Retighten the waistband if necessary. Remember to position the lower rear pad on the small of the bag so the weight of the machine is resting on your hips and shoulders. You should be able to easily slide your finger between each strap and shoulder. Step 3. Buckle the sternum strap and adjust the tightness as needed. Step 4. Slide the sternum strap up or down for adjustment. If you have the cordless model, insert the battery, pushing it in until it locks into place.